guys, welcome to Southwood. This is, I want to say, yeah, today is 90 sheets of sheetrock so far. So let's go. This is the master bedroom, and ceilings, walls, everything's been done. 5/8 sheetrock everywhere. Got the wafer lights, they're LED, so they burn less electricity. Framed up a wall in the center. 5/8 sheetrock everywhere around, so you can see the thickness. And the wall separating here is actually 2 sheets of sheetrock. And in between each is this right here, the acoustical sealant. So got to put quite a bit of that on. It's like a green blue, you know, but half the price. So same effect. Also going to do that for sound deadening underneath the sheetrock all throughout on both the first and second floors. But yeah, this in the master closet, got a little bit of work yet to do in here to get that light functioning, I would say again. But so with all the new AC work, I went ahead and I took advantage of the spray foam. Spray foamed all the new AC ductwork all throughout, so that way this will deliver cold air conditioning and also warm heat during the winter, and not be as, how do you say, it won't build up any condensation from the hot and the cold meeting, because originally this is a flat roof and then R19, and then on top of that you can see I spray foamed like everywhere, especially the air registers where they go into each room. So R13 in the walls. Every wall has got R13. Ceilings are R19, and R19 separating the units. So again, 2 sheets of sheetrock separating. This creates a fire barrier. So what they call a fire block. So because originally it just had 1 sheet, and also for sound control, noise deadening. Again, got the wafer lights in. So spray foam everywhere where I could, you know, so that way we didn't have to cut so much of the insulation. This all still has to be removed. Of course, you know, I got, like I said, all new AC, everything's new both sides. But yeah, all of this has now been spray foamed. R13 in the walls. I haven't gotten to the stairwell just yet. Middle bedroom, sheetrocked out. Let's see where we at. This is the middle bedroom closet. We almost done. About to start mud and taping, and let's see. So anyway, right up here, again, separating the units, spray foam everywhere. So R19 goes in up here over the stairwell. So R19 goes inside of that. R19 goes in a 2x6 cavity, separating the 2 units. R13 in these walls, like I said, every single wall gets R13. All the interior walls, and also this wall gets 2 sheets of 5/8 with the acoustical sealant in it for the sound deadening properties, so make it soundproof in here. All right, so again, all of this spray foam the absolute shit out of all of this. So, another walk-in closet. This is still yet to go. These guys have been busy, working hard. Front bedroom. We ready to rock and roll. So anyway, just a little update on Southwood. Hope y'all enjoy. Y'all go make it a day. Later.